Hello audience. So today we will discuss lecture number 56 and I have collected all these vocabulary from Dawn newspaper. So all these vocabulary are paramount for all competitive examinations. So the first one is contentments. So its meaning is pleasure, gladness, gratification, and in Urdu its meaning is kinaat. Next one, legitimacy, kanuni haysiyat, conformity to the law or to the rules. Next one, charisma, so charismati, charm, magneticism, and captivation. So all these are synonyms of charisma. Next one, contour, so its meaning is form, shape, conformation, or configuration. Next one, pompous, so arrogant, haughty, khud pasandana. Next one, perilled, so endanger, menace, or to put something in a danger. Next one, furious, so violent, angry, fierce, enraged. Next one, legitimate, so jais, valid, lawful, legal, or legate. Next one, interlocutor, so a person who takes part in a dialogue or in a conversation. Next one, rhetoric, so using language effectively to please or persuade someone. Next one, urged, so force, impel in an indicated direction. Next one, saboteur, so someone who deliberately causes wrecks. Tehreek Kar, just like TTP in Pakistan or BLA in Pakistan or ISIS across the world, because these sort of organization are uh, risk for the world peace and national security. Next one, FIA, which is a federal investigation agency, and it's a civilian agency, and its main function is controlling of smuggling, along with to keep eagle eyes on public. Next one, ISI, so Inter Services Intelligence Agency. It is one of the premier spy agency in Pakistan, and it is also one of the top ranking spy agency in the world. Next one, uh, so some states which I have collected from Dawn. So the incumbent foreign minister of Pakistan is Ishaq Dar, and he belongs to PMLN, and in previous government he was a finance minister. Next one, the foreign minister of Pakistan is uh, the foreign minister is Ishaq Dar, and the interior minister is Mohsin Naqvi. He is also chairman of PCB, Pakistan Cricket Board. Next one, defense minister, so Khwaja Muhammad Asif, he also belongs to PMLN. And the last one is foreign secretary of Pakistan, so it is Cyrus Kazi. Next one, uh, inventiveness, so creative or imaginative. Next one, amity, so amity basically feeling of friendship, dosti. Next one, primordial, so ibtidai, primal or ancient. Next one, braying, so to utter or play loudly or harshly. Next one, destined, so muqaddar, fate. Next one, phalanx, so large group of people, animal or things, often placed together. Next one, rancor. So bughz, antipathy, bad blood, hostility, enmity, animosity. So all these are synonyms of rancor. Next one, slander. So defamation, maligning, blackening, or next one, garnered, jama karna. So concentrate, round up, accumulate, congregate. So all these are synonyms of garnered. And last one is leverage. So influence or power used to achieve a desired result. So it's all for today, and if you people have any questions, so ask freely. Thank you and good luck.